Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing the Kenmore BC3005 pet-friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum cleaner, a powerful and versatile cleaning solution designed for homes with pets, carpets, hardwood floors, and hard-to-reach spaces. If you're looking for strong suction, HEPA filtration, extended cleaning reach, and lightweight maneuverability without moving to an oversized premium vacuum, this model is definitely worth considering. The first thing that stands out about the Kenmore BC3005 is its lightweight canister design. Unlike bulky upright vacuums, this compact body follows smoothly behind you, making it easier to clean stairs, furniture, corners, and underneath beds or couches. The slim design also makes storage much easier for apartments and smaller homes. Performance is where this vacuum really shines. The BC3005 features a powerful dual-motor system. One motor drives the suction while the second powers the brush roll, allowing the vacuum to deep clean carpets while still working effectively on hardwood, laminate, and tile floors. Pet owners will especially appreciate how well it handles pet hair, fur, dust, and debris from both floors and upholstery. Another major feature is the HEPA filtration system. This vacuum traps allergens, fine dust, and pet dander inside the sealed bagged system instead of releasing particles back into the air. For households with allergies or multiple pets, this makes a noticeable difference in air cleanliness while vacuuming. One of the biggest upgrades on the BC3005 is the extended telescoping wand. This gives you extra reach for curtains, ceiling corners, shelves, ceiling fans, and difficult spots under furniture. Combined with the included cleaning tools, the vacuum becomes extremely versatile for whole home cleaning. Speaking of attachments, Kenmore includes 4 cleaning tools designed for multiple surfaces and cleaning situations. Whether you're cleaning upholstery, crevices, furniture, stairs, or delicate areas, switching between tools is quick and simple. The retractable cord system is another convenient feature that makes storage easier. With a single button press, the cord automatically rewinds into the vacuum body, saving time and reducing clutter. The long reach also helps reduce constant outlet switching while cleaning larger rooms. In everyday use, the vacuum feels surprisingly maneuverable and quieter than many heavy upright vacuums while still maintaining strong suction performance. The swivel hose and lightweight canister body help reduce arm fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Overall, the Kenmore BC3005 is an excellent choice for pet owners and anyone wanting a lightweight but powerful canister vacuum with HEPA filtration, versatile attachments, strong suction, and extended cleaning reach. It offers reliable performance across multiple floor types while staying compact and easy to handle. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more daily product reviews and tech content. And if you want to check out the Kenmore BC3005 for yourself, the Amazon link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.